Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss a brief and basic information about hydrogen. Firstly, it is derived from Greek word which means water maker. It makes water. So let's get into detail. Hydrogen, it is the simplest member of family of chemical elements. That it is only the neutronless element in the entire universe. Yes, hydrogen, the number of neutrons in hydrogen are 0. The atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and the atomic weight of hydrogen is also 1. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Hydrogen has no color, no smell and no taste. And it is highly flammable. It burns with invisible flame also. And the earliest known chemical property of hydrogen is it burns with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen and burns to give water. That is why the name itself is water maker. It makes water. And hydrogen is 3 times as abundant as helium. Even though it is abundant, it is only up to 0.14% of Earth's crust by its weight. And the surprising fact is that it is so lighter than air that it can actually escape the gravitational pull of Earth. And it can go into space. It escapes the gravity pull. Now let's see into preparation. In 1766, Henry Cavendish, a scientist, reacted zinc pieces with dilute HCl, then it gave hydrogen gas. Here is the reaction. When zinc pieces react with hydrochloric acid, dilute hydrochloric acid, it gives hydrogen gas, which evaporates. In this beaker, you take dilute hydrochloric acid and add zinc pieces, then the gas evolved is called hydrogen gas. And I think you almost hear that hydrogen balloons. This hydrogen gas is filled into these balloons. Then these are called hydrogen balloons. So I think you might know that now. Hydrogen gas is very much lighter, I have earlier discussed. That is the reason why hydrogen balloons escape into air. Isotopes. These are the atoms with same atomic number but different mass number. The isotopes of hydrogen are 3: protium, deuterium and tritium. Protium, it is a commonly used isotope of hydrogen. Deuterium is a heavy element. It is used in heavy water, etc. And tritium is a radioactive element. If you see here, atomic number is same, 111, but the mass number here is 1, 2 and 3. So these are the 3 isotopes of hydrogen. It is very important. Nature of hydrogen. Hydrogen has a dual nature. Firstly, why is it not placed with halogens? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Why is it placed with alkali metals? Let's see. Halogens are non-metals. They have tendency to gain electron and attain stable configuration. Even hydrogen is also a non-metal. It has a tendency to gain electron and attain stable configuration. But it is placed with alkali metals. So the reason is its electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. Alkali metals electronic configuration is ns1. So it is similar. It ends with ns1 and its valency is same. All alkali metals are reducing agents. So hydrogen is also a reducing agent. So hydrogen is placed with alkali metals even though it is a non-metal. It can be positive. It can take positive charge and be a cation. And it can take negative charge and be an anion called hydrides. Hydrogen acts as hydrides and act as a cation also. So this is the brief and basic information about hydrogen. Please like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.